Hey, it's Donna Joy from Donna Joy Coaching. I'm also the creator of the free Facebook group, The Online Marketing Geeks. So if you've been watching my Facebook Lives, you know that I've recently come back from Las Vegas, where I've been I've enrolled in an intense 1-year mastermind, and I've come back from that. And I learned something very important from that I want to share with you. So basically, when I heard this, it was kind of like this big aha moment, light bulb probably blinked on above my head, and I was able to see why I had been struggling in my online business. So if you're anything like me, you know, I was probably 5 years into trying to make money online, but kind of 2 years in more to doing the affiliate marketing, online business stuff, network marketing, things like that. And I just was getting nowhere, and I just seemed to be spending all my time doing stuff and all my money feeding back into courses and things like that. So you know, a new leader would emerge, and I would follow them, and I would do their course, learn what they were doing, and I would implement stuff. Look, quite honestly, sometimes I wouldn't implement stuff because I was like, oh, I don't want to do that. But normally I would implement stuff, but nothing would happen. Okay, so now I've got one more thing that I've got in my DMO tracking and stuff, and it's just not working. And then I go, okay, well, that didn't work. So then I tried this, and I tried that, and I tried this. I'm spending all this money and getting more and more frustrated, more and more disillusioned. And all the time I'm saying, well, hang on, these people are making it work. So what am I doing wrong? Anyway, what I discovered at this course is the difference between strategy versus tactics. Okay, so you need both strategy and tactics in your online biz. And the difference between the two of them is that the strategy is kind of like the 30,000 foot view. So the strategy is you looking down and you're seeing the big picture, the whole big thing, all the working mechanics, all the pieces of your business that are coming together, that are creating the business and making you money. The tactics are the individual little pieces that come together that are in that puzzle. So it's like the 30,000 foot view. You're looking at the puzzle, and the tactics are the pieces of that puzzle. And the problem is that when we do a course or follow a guru or something like that, they're just giving us a piece of that puzzle, but they're not showing us how it fits in to the big complexity of having a business and being able to make money online. They kind of, you know, talk to us about how it's making the money, but we're not seeing all the other stuff that's going on in the background that is generating the energy that is allowing them to make money. So yes, we need tactics, definitely. We need to know how to do stuff, or we need to know how to employ people to do stuff for us. We need to know what we need to do, but we need an overall strategy. So we need a big machine, basically, that we're putting into place. And you know, until recently, I did not find anyone that's teaching strategy. So they call it consumer confusion. Okay, so a lot of people that are out there are selling us courses and making money off selling us courses, and they kind of don't want us to get the aha. Or maybe they're just so, let's be nice, maybe they're just so focused on what was their strength that they don't realize that in itself is not enough, and they're not giving us the big picture. Okay, so it's consumer confusion. We keep going back to them because we see them being successful, and we keep buying from them, and we keep following them, and we keep listening to them, but it's not working because it's just one piece of that puzzle, and we need the whole big puzzle. So that's something that I'm finally being given, which is amazing. Okay, so I now have a strategy, and all these things that I've learned, they click into the strategy, which is great, because I know that the last 2 years, although they've been frustrating, they haven't been wasted. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I've learned that I don't need to use. I can use in the future, not necessary parts of my strategy, but a lot of what I've done is given me the confidence that I can just now click everything into place now that I know. It's kind of like someone's pulled a car apart and laid it all out on the ground, and then I'm like meant to drive this car, right? And I've just been like picking up pieces of the car going, whoa, it's a wheel, yay, let's go with the wheel. Yay, that's gonna get us somewhere. But the wheel doesn't get me anywhere. You know, oh, it's a radiator, yay, we need a radiator. Let's learn all about the radiator, but then the radiator by itself doesn't get us anywhere. So now I have been able to put the car together. Okay, I'm starting it all together. I've got the car, I've got the vehicle that's going to get me to where I'm going, and that's what's really exciting about what I'm doing. So, you know, I've been in quite a few affiliate things where it's all about bringing people in and teaching them, but never before have I been in a system where they're more interested in teaching you how to have an online business so that you can have a business outside of what you're doing. Okay, so yes, I'm making money using the techniques of the system to help others and bring them into this system, but I'm being taught how to take this and apply it elsewhere. Okay, so for instance, I've been applying what I've been learning to my author business, and now I've got funnels that I've put together. So I'm not just giving away my book for free to attract people to me anymore. Now I'm actually selling off the back end, and now I'm working on putting an email system in place that's going to sell as well. I'm being taught how to be a business person, how to be a salesperson, and how to put this whole mechanism together and to get it all working so I can become the personality that I need to be a successful author who's making money. And I can finally start to control my own sales rather than having to rely on Amazon to show people my book, or iBooks to show people my book, or people to have heard about me to go looking for it. I'm going to be able to control my own sales, which is really exciting. I'm going to be able to, once I finally get this working, which I'm working on at the moment, where I'm going to have a break even or a profitable funnel giving my book away, I'm going to be able to afford to put my book in front of as many people as I want, making money off the back end, and then that is going to drive my Amazon sales, and that is power, that is control, and that is what I'm learning with this system. Okay, so you can take, not even if you're not an author, you can take what you're learning, you learn from this, and you can apply it. Got a friend who's using it in her hypnotherapy business. I could teach this to any small business, teach them how to apply this in their small business. So, if I wanted to in the future, I could go out and learn the knowledge I'm learning and teach it to others in their business, and actually set up, some sort of, business mentorship group. So that's what I really love about this system. Now, you probably heard me talking about it before. The best thing about this system is you can earn while you learn. All right, so it's not like when I went to uni for 5 years as a dentist and I had to pay money and I didn't make money, and I came out the other end with a degree and broke, and then I had to go and get a job that I was tied to, and I couldn't have time off when I wanted or anything like that. It's not like that. It's not like having a job. You can actually earn while you learn, and then you can be implementing what you're learning into your outside business as well. Okay, so that's where it's very exciting. Now, it's only $1 to trial this for a month. So if anyone wants to give it a shot, just message me below in the comments in the live, so I can, let's have a chat, see if it's right for you or not right for you. I mean, it's not right for everybody. It's right for people who are motivated. It's right for people who are willing to do what needs to be done. It's right for people who are actioning kind of people. It's not right for get rich quick people who just want to be given money. Not right for you. This is about people who are serious about doing what needs to be done to create an online business, but actually doing it successfully. Okay, actually, the work that they're putting into it is finally getting them somewhere. So if that's you, if you think, yes, I would like a strategy to plug all my tactics into, and yes, I would like to try it for $1. So for that $1, it's a trial for a month. You get a boot camp, 18-module boot camp. You get traffic training, so how to drive traffic to your business, which is very important, because it's no point setting up a strategy if you have no traffic coming, if you have no people coming into it. Because if we don't have people coming in, we're not going to make sales. We're not going to make sales. We're not going to make money, and that's what having an online business is about: is creating sales and making money. You get traffic training, you get an online coach to help you for that month. So for $1, it's pretty good value. So message below if you're interested in finding more about it, and then I can send you a link so you can try it out and hook you up with your online coach and go from there. Anyway, I hope you guys are good, and I hope that my talk about strategy versus tactics has helped in some way, that you're kind of like, okay, all right, so yeah, that's what I'm missing an overall strategy, and maybe you've got the knowledge to sort it out yourself, sort out what that strategy is. If not, you'll get it in this system. So have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon.